Good evening, my name is Leolal Ivanti, and my favorite part of PadFit's activity was ball relay. It sparked my interest in competitive sports. It rekindled it. It was fun despite the competitiveness. You know, when competitive sports arise, we usually don't enjoy it, but yeah, we enjoyed it actually. And the class were able to use their gifts. I was able to use my gifts, which is fast reaction speed. I used it. I would, with the passing of Pad Fifth and the completion of Pad Fifth, I would miss the weekly days, weekly workout things that I look forward to, and that I look forward to blow off some steam. You know, it's really my physical outlet, and I would really miss it. Thank you, Pad Fifth.